Welcome back. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you now, many of us we grew back then. These particular guys that I want to introduce right now, these are some of the men that really hold us for work growing up, and we must always give respect to who respect is due, okay? And all the way, last Gideon and every. Ladies and gentlemen, the day with me in the building. Easy bit, are you ready? I am. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, I get DANFO drivers with me in the building. Easy. Nakam as the head tabeg. Hey! That's all, but now that's go fed that's
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Oh boy, this level is on song no go ever die. Evergreen, no, not shaking at all. Bros, now what?
Now God.
Yeah? Easy bit. One more time, applause for them. I beg inside the building with me. Any I want to be was calling a legend, living legend. We thank you for this kind of that would carry give us that year, and we really appreciate the fact say una still day. Because not everybody will start CD. Along the lines, people don't drop, don't even do the music again. But on a CD and with the thank you now, we give respect to people there. We start the whole level. Even though some people they now they form body man. As if like this, then the advice for the ones away there now. Even calm down. On the steady. Correct. So, bros, Mona, how far? What's the happen since? And say many of our fans they watch right now. They're happy for us now. Say, oh boy, see our guys there. What's the happen since from now?
We did right from time. Say we will come outside 2003. Yeah. DANFO drivers. Yes. You understand?
Yes.
This one we there and I'm my Mad Million. Yes. I'm the driver and I'm the conductor.
I'm my boy, I'm the player. I'm my picking that time,
So we'll come outside with the job then. You understand? 2003, And all our songs, everybody know I'm as true life story.
Yes. Yes.
Because that time we try to say, okay, we won't go school, but money no day. We just fall into transport business. But we get the talent to how to sing, but nobody to support. You understand? But we thank God, after we finish that one, we can come outside 2007 again for Polongo.
Yes.
So people just dance the Polongo, but some people don't even understand what we talk.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
What would the advice for that Polongo? That's why I tell you all of our songs are true life story.
True life story.
That Polongo again, we see they tell people say, nobody every time belly paying you or body they worry you go take drugs.
True.
You understand?
True.
Make yourself know about our apps we get for Nigeria.
Natural
apps for Africa. So if Jetty they worry you, you get that. That's why they're able to talk about when you get Jetty. So people just say that because we just a player, not for play.
Let me just for play.
So but now, we don't come outside with another one again. Say this life is so. Our people say if you cannot be there, join them.
Life.
You understand?
Life.
Don't say before, normally with the sing album, they come outside.
Yes.
But we can't say and say, now the game don't change. Everybody play single, you understand?
True.
Now the time delay where they see. Nobody not release the album, you understand? So now we don't come outside with another one. This one is titled ELA. That is the latest one we just come outside. Just 2 weeks ago, it just come out.
So this one now, you get the kind of feel of the other ones there. At least say, okay, now pattern.
If you hear that, I go our pattern.
But make I ask you on your own side there, music for that time, because just now you said mentioned things don't change. Things don't change. Music that time and now, how you go take reason the two sides. Say right now we get more real guys than I be saying that just people they pursue money, not be really the talent. I be I go see the music now compared to before we wanna start the whole level.
You know, go take the time we start music. They compare to this time on now.
Okay.
Because they are on now, no, they will love, they will die for love. They will love nobody. They're not the message where it's supposed to date there, where they're supposed to pass to the masses.
Yes.
They're not the pass them. Everybody won't die for the love. Everybody won't fight for it. If not be you, I go die. But when would they play conscious lyrics?
Yes, conscious lyrics.
Yes.
Since the way they happen.
When they happen.
When they think for their head.
When you play song, make people know say yes. This guy plays song.
True. And that's the reason why right now the song is still relevant.
Yes.
The relevance still the evergreen.
Now can be the evergreen.
Yes,
so,
yes.
You can see now green share will sit down.
Now so it just blends, not be joke.
That's
Really. But at the same time, man, you know, for this industry, some people still they say who they still look say aside the music, some other thing where the person suppose they do by the side. Some people talk say face the full music, give everything what you get. How na go advise young and upcoming people then these days, judging by on our experience, we know with the whole industry. Because some people they give different advice. Some people say, my brother, as you do pursue music now, do that thing for corner. Some people come again, can say, fake this music, but fashion everything, face and die there. But from our own experience, how to take advice young people then?
You know, say the experience that we don't get for this entertainment industry. We see so. Like those days we'll come outside. Yeah. When I tell you, we will come out, you know. Not say we do transport business, I tell you now.
That
so
part.
When make me they let you know now. So we'll come outside the transport business. What we do, me and sit down with our manager, promoters, all of us sit down, plan, say, okay, this thing I will do before. Why we not take on the empower boys then? We will say, even send out to buy boss, make them they do them.
Okay.
You understand? Under our own business.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
They consider a good idea. So what we come buy boss.
Okay.
You own a DANFO driver, I own a DANFO driver too.
Okay.
Take an empower them that time. You understand my point? But you know say that time, no, but now. Because if you play music that time, piracy everywhere, they pirate your song. You understand?
And Kese plenty they do
it. Now they do that time. You understand? And we say, if you listen, I will come outside with the video.
Yes.
Because even if you don't know day before now, we'll come outside and we'll do video.
Yes.
So we'll do now the piracy that time. Because I remember what would they from Singapore, we see like 5 containers, 6 containers. I tell you now. Our this thing, I say, I don't fit talk. How many people want to fight? We go Alabado Allah for where they say we they learn now. We too fit talk. Even Tinubu no fit talk. The governor of the state.
Seriously. So if Tinubu no come here, who you want to
talk? So now, so we carry our police. Everybody go back. You understand? But for now, we not say the game don't change.
Don't change. Yes. Much better structure day.
So the way the game build now, you understand my point. Even if you play one single,
yes.
If the single blow, you don't blow, you be that.
Yes.
And at the same time, if you to get endorsement, all that, you will be like that time. You understand my point?
Yes.
So now, what are the advice people? Anything way they do, just focus on what you are doing.
Okay.
No matter the condition you find yourself, no the thing can say because say you be this. Just believe for yourself. Say this thing my achiever. As we do this music, so we don't come outside for the new level where they're there now. You understand my point? That don't mean say we can't ignore people. No. Yeah. We play with everybody, we laugh with everybody. But anything you are doing, just focus. Just believe with God, you achieve it.
Bam.
You understand?
Bam.
That's life.
No, not yet. If after this advice, you don't see make up, just go for deliverance. Now just remain. If not, now Ken and also now remain finished for the whole level. But bros, on your own side too, just small advice, make them for know because the word of the elders now they matter now.
That's what they matter.
My advice to them be say, say. If you like me, you be carpenter, you are a star. If you be organizer, you are a star, like as DANFO driver. So,
yes.
What would they also the thing that time? We don't know.
Okay.
So, but as God may have it, and look DANFO driver now, for instance, people will be saying them be driver and conductor.
Yes.
Today now, boom, everybody's here.
Yes, and respect.
Shake KB for everywhere.
Oh no!
Don't be smart, so the matter now different.
Yes.
So my advice to them be say, make them stick their head up.
Yeah.
In anything you are doing, just give the best for the massive. If you know say yes, the thing no go well, still go back to your blackboard. Then you arrange.
You can't go. They can't go rearrange everything.
Then God go lift your back. I tell them say me then they lawyer.
Loyalty.
Because loyalty not go make you climb the ladder.
No, not yet. Loyalty, not be priding.
No, be
better
for where he be got a lion.
Gaga.
For where it happen. So that's what DANFO driver telling us. So
all right. Like that, so. All right. So on a new Bedu now with the video, we don't set for ground now. Just tell us about the whole thing before we go launch and give everybody.
They say music don't tie rapper. And as it don't tie rapper, so you tie rapper for long
life.
And that's why DANFO driver say could keep them this because as they say yes. But the only thing is we don't go come out from the kind pattern where we play.
Okay.
So due to say yes, this is AJB music.
Exactly.
Okay, let's tie rapper, follow this one first.
Yes.
Then the conscious one will follow.
Okay. That's all. Yeah. So as a bit like this, now we see the video quickly. By the time we feel the whole thing, we'll come back, just come round up the full show. All right. So we see him. Let's watch it and let's enjoy the whole level sharply. That's too much. He did body. So not be since you're natural. Not be I call they try the first so that they enjoy the music. You just love it naturally. You know. But like one of my guy asked when we just do a break. How tough that reason ourselves? Say okay, DANFO driver, conductor. No, it's okay. No, could just go do this music. Hey, maybe that's one they shout. CMS, they don't put yeah. Maybe I'm not like say come. Let's say we don't release one song.
The way the thing be.
Yes.
I they stay Ojo Road, in they stay the back of
Ojo Road, that is
okay. So then we would they small, you know, say we sabi we go knock him they sing.
Okay.
And they sing too, so we other ones they come, but we gonna challenge ourselves. Yeah, this one we say then was a preaching.
Yeah, that time.
Okay. We go challenge ourselves. So from there. Yeah, for their own street now.
Yes.
Be Papa.
That be king for that side. So okay, two different king for two different sides.
And we'll be friends, so.
Okay.
So that's what we do, you know. As God may have it now, so I say, okay, me. As I be driver, I be Igboro. At the enter, and obviously, this thing, they say Igboro only outside strong.
Yes, that's
it. If you go surely jump fence and fly gutter. That's it, no, make I go find something
that's
new
so.
Because
that's so.
Then it get as it be, you know, due to some kind of certain things. I say, okay, to forward my education and make I do one thing, I be the driver where I can't go be so.
Okay.
So and him now still there, not doing it. I say my party. I don't go also finish.
Yes.
They give you program. No. Instead of that, come anytime we are there, say go. You learn the bus stop them. They sit down for front too.
Yes.
They can learn the bus stop them.
Yes.
Then know how to collect the money them.
Yes.
Then as we be, I can say okay, yeah, Monty Black, come we maybe I start the business.
That's now. That's so. So it's like internship.
So what did they do that time? When did they do the DANFO work? You know, when they do the DANFO work, for break time, let's say break, they start from that kind of one.
Around one, yes.
So that one, I'll come enter the bus with them. Come full and go chop.
Okay.
So we got to tell me, say, every day they come call and come chop. So now, I will not give you the fish. I will teach you how to catch the fish.
How to catch the fish. That's so, that's so.
So that's how we can enter the transport business. So when we do them together, when they do transport business from there, the money will get small, take an task to do. Okay. As I tell you, we get the talent. They go before, they go wake keepings. When they don't invite us, we go they sing. The experience 300 naira or 400. Those are 20 naira that time, at 10 naira, 5 naira.
Yes.
Forget, the day the experience 2,000, we no sleep now.
Oh, area go no.
So we guide the money, you know, but I thank God, you know. So after that time, we still do transport, we go studio.
Yes,
so after I finish job, we'll come finish job, we'll come put our market. That time, China, they rain that time.
China, yes.
That time, I ain't sing this. Your worst enemy, you go be your best friend.
Yes.
So what would they do the rally of that, our new song, DANFO Driver? You know, people, they say, what in this one, them play? Which China, they rain. You know, some kind of time. That's why this life, no matter what, never you give up.
Yes.
You understand? Not the way they tell us, if make us fear, say, hey, I want to release the job.
True.
But that mind and determination where you don't get.
Yes.
Don't send anybody, tell anybody they tell you. Now, what me I believe.
No shake at all. No shake at all.
China don't come outside that time, they play. And that time, China, they for there everywhere because I remember they pay China for show. We all go like upcoming artists. Nobody know us. You know, that will never come outside. We look China. Where China they control crowd, we look and say, now China they do this. One day we do this thing. True. So, but we thank God. So after that time, we can't do the rally of the song. Okay. You know, say Ajigule those days. You don't be like now we say if you want to do anything, you just go for media. You know, that time you don't get time for media. That time everybody now they promote your song.
You guys to do one.
Now you go down by yourself. So that time, now the DANFO,
yes.
Who they use the man who they work with 9 boss we use. Okay. So we do on top of the boss. You understand? Because the title of the song was DANFO Driver. Yes. So we want to show something like that. Okay. They made them say and say, these guys are DANFO drivers. Exactly. So we come there, they do the rally throughout their jiggle, we do them the tongue. So people they talk, I like your song. Because people say, China they rain, it's just an amazing. Yes. So we now, after we release the job, we did house. 1 month, we never hear anything. We still there. They worry. Small, it reached 2 months. The next thing, it doesn't for the song, for the first track, we say, I want to go to Uniben for enough education. Yes. So the song now, Blaise as he enter Edo State, he caused fire. Okay, can't worry them for that side. Can't worry them. So from Edo now, don't enter worry, enter Port Harcourt, blow on Lagos. So as he come Lagos, now they catch fire. Wow, everywhere. So when they catch fire, the market with that. So the first show, but I remember that time, say my first show was in Ondo State. You understand? So that time, when they call us, they say, we just come play. I know say that time, we'll never go any show. Yeah. My first show then give us 5,000 naira, remember? Yes, 5,000 naira. My promoter collects 1,700. Why not short? So I don't matter now. We share that, but I don't matter. So after we play, you know, it's like let me say 1 month. Yeah. Now we get call from this Sierra Leone. From Sierra Leone say they have a peace concert because of their war, blah, 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 blah. Yes. UN, they do that time, so they call my promoter. Make I not lie, Sha. From that time, I will come see the success of what we do. So that's how we then call us. Then pay us, is it all $10,000 that time? That time? $10,000. I'm going to come play for the stadium. Wow. You understand? So from that time, we will go there. What would they come back? The news come the rain for Nigeria, say, DANFO driver, one don't die. That time, not true. Yeah, so, not true. And I can tell not you now. True. So when they come to DANFO driver don't die, DANFO driver don't die. Now I come the rain for you, say DANFO driver they don't rob, they go thief, they don't die, this, that. But I remember, say, some boys, they do transport business. They are transport business. They are DANFO they do now. So they ask the guy, say, Mr. Man, what is your occupation? The boy can say, I'm a driver. So Nigeria people now no come even wait again. At that time, we know the Nigeria. They don't even ask.
Then there was this program.
Crime fighter.
Crime fighter.
Yes.
And the boy was even tying that.
This is our bandana.
Okay. So it comes like saying that the whole thing.
One of the.
Exactly. So now year now. So don't like say what you want.
So when that thing happen, yes, we now with this alone. I can't remember that they come because we call now from there. We call Nigeria. They say see this way they rain here. But when we are in land for airports, people see us for airport, they see run. When people come, they run. We say we come fear, follow run. Because we don't let it happen. We see people there, we say follow run for airports. What did they pursue them?
Couple of resurrection.
So when we walk on to the second job, we can say, okay, this one another song they don't give us like that. That's why for the second one for that Kolongo, we have another track where the inside we talk about the storyline
of the whole
Mongers. Yes. That's what I was saying. That travel when we travel, I say when we come back, then say DANFO drivers are criminal. Travel when we travel, I say when we come back, then say DANFO drivers are you understand? I don't want to make a blast at the top of the Congo by
I beg, easy be clap for I beg, put your hands together, I beg. I really appreciate you that come here today. I'm saying many people that when they watch for house right now don't enjoy and don't they inspired. You know, and that's the most important thing. The fact say young people feel what say, no, these men they still there. I mean they still get the passion and of course the message they come out. You know, so that goes show that say anything way they do also get the sense part of the whole thing. Not just entertainment. The sense part, the message, see the importance, and it will remain evergreen. Thank you very much. You know, with us on the show today. If people want to reach you now, how do they reach you now? Say, maybe website or Instagram.
When it comes to,
if you want to reach us now, just it's DANFO driver. Finish.
Okay.
It's DANFO driver.
Okay. So now,
anything you won't get, you'll get us on
top that level. Yes. Now, thank you one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, at this particular point, I don't say that I don't enjoy every. You don't get what you want pass like this one sweet. You understand? But at this point, we'll say good night to all of you now. At W Late Night Show on top Twitter, just go there. Just give us gist and say enjoy the whole level, you know. And of course, the video, make sure that they download them, they watch and they continue to share them. All right? Thank you very much, all of you joining us. We'll see you now tomorrow, God willing. God bless you. Easy bit. Just Jean the Bedelico to end the whole level.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.